Okay, so I put the shiny side of the resin, the top side, over or inside the bowl, but I put a shiny piece of plastic so it would not stick to the bowl. And so this is the window film side, so this is what I had poured it on. And if your resin sticks to your window film, then it's not ready to come off yet. So just make note of that. I've used this window film several times now. And the caulking is peeling off, so you know, you can just peel it off and recalk another piece. The great thing about this film is you can use it over and over again. That's the beauty of this film. It's thick and hardy, so I can just make another mold right on top of that with my caulking. So here's the piece, and this side settled a little lower, but it's I wanted to experiment with cellophane and the holographic look. So you don't have a holographic look necessarily on the back because of the cellophane. That's why I turned it and made the holographic side the side that you would see facing up. And I've got some chunky pieces around the edge here that I need to cut. It's pieces of cellophane and kind of sharp edges, like right there. So I will cut that away. It's pretty. It is very hard to, once you've cut that cellophane, to get it separated. It kind of clings to itself like magnets. So that was a little difficult. I had tried a resin, I had tried a coaster, and that was a little easier. So just a note, a mental note. Also, I didn't want the iridescent pieces sticking up on this side of the bowl. It might have a little lump here and there on the back, so that's totally okay. So the confetti, or the cellophane confetti, I can cut it with scissors. And then there might be some I have to use my razor knife on. So I'll skip past this part. Okay, I trimmed away the edges, and then I used, I actually prefer this brand, Deco Color Premium Gold over Krylon. So I used this, and then I also had some oil-based. They're both oil-based. Let me show you the bottle. I have a link in my Amazon below the video. This is Craft Smart, so this is from Michael's, but it's the same thing. It's an oil-based, and I used a small brush to get down into crevices that I couldn't get with the pen. So it has a really kind of uneven wonkiness and jagged edges, and I really kind of like that. It's called kintsugi, that Japanese, where they repair broken pieces with gold. So repairing something broken with something extremely valuable. So I'm not repairing, but I'm kind of filling the cracks with gold, and I love the accent of it. I think it's turned out gorgeous. Again, the back side is just where you see the cellophane, and it's the shiny side, and there is a little bit of texture to it, but there's no cellophane that's raised up. And then that's what makes all that jagged edge. And then this was the side that was face down on, the resin was face down on the window film. And so it has the holographic pattern on top of the cellophane, so you kind of get that double effect. So I think it's really lovely, and the edges are really rough and you know, like what I call wonky, and I like that effect. So this is an oil-based oil pen and paint, gilding paint, and then of course the resin is heat resistant, that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to making more for you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.